Hello guys, we got some cool action figures. Batman action figures. Batman and the Joker. I will show you guys them at the box. This is Batman and the Joker. I will show you them at the box, okay? Oh yeah, this is the back of the box of the Joker. And this is the back of the box of Batman. Now let me take Batman and the Joker at the box, shall we? Guys, this is them at the box. I want to check out the Joker first. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Let's check out Joker first. Let me take out how you stand. Yo, this is the cartoon Joker with his black hair and green hair. I love his suit. Things like greenish yellow shirt, and then his bow tie, his green flower. He can bend both knees, elbow joints, head is up and down. He does have changeable hands, but I'd rather keep on these hands. Maybe I would take pictures, each different hands. And his crazy smile. Joker, and this is the Joker's stand. All right, you can lie down for a second, Joker. Ooh. And one of his pets, a coyote. That looks so cool. Coyote, where is this? Wow. Oh yeah, the head up and down. There's a second one. See, look, this was like his smiling. This was like his mouth closed. Oh, look, there's two of them. They were the same but different. Okay, now this is the Joker's poster. Nothing back of it. And these are the hands. These are the yeah. It came with hands, but I'll show you more. See, his hands, but I'll show them more. I made videos with them. Now let's check out Mr. Batman. I had to scoot Joker out the side. Let's check out Batman. Alright, let's check out Batman. First, his card. You can Bruce Powers if you want. I think this is not Bruce Wayne. I think this is a different type of different Batman. Wow, this Batman's cool. Anyways, let me turn this on. Oh yeah, you can see there's more. And his belt shiny. This is the bendable cape. See? See? The bendable cape. Well, we can probably move it up. Like, I don't know. He can move his knee. He can do his he His also came with hands too. But I like this hands better because I know how Batman can hold in this. Whew. Get me out, Joker, I'll put you out. I love his bat logo, his tights, his boots, everything in this Batman, and his face sculpt. His face sculpt is really nice. It's really nice. Oh, you can also turn his head, but it's very tight. And these are his hands, his stand. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. That looks very cool. The Joker's a little small, but he looks kind of cool with his Batman. Hey, Batman! What do you want, Joker? Should not be here. Whoosh! I love my crime. I just help the others. Like that, I'm gonna Batman do. I can make some cool videos with these toys. Whoa! All right, let me take some cool pictures with these cool poses on TikTok and YouTube. Oh yeah, I forgot these the feet move. And somewhere here, up and down. Be very careful. Oh, there's the back of it. Ooh, Batman got a little beat up right there. It looks cool. I like these. I like these capes instead of the plastics. Instead of plastic. Let me put the bag. Let me put the bag in my dresser. On my dresser and stuff. I'm sitting on the floor, hurting my back. Guys, which figurine you like? Batman or the Joker with his pets? Wolves? Not wolves. Coyotes. Looks like dogs, but coyotes. Coyotes? What was it? The Joker. Now I can see him closer. Is Batman. So, yeah. Alright. How to go now? Bye!